Danger. Electricity can be dangerous or fatal. I highly recommend not trying this yourself. If you do, I will not be held liable. You have been warned. Alrighty. This is the same vacuum motor we were dealing with yesterday. One of the field windings broke, so I burnt out the other one yesterday. And I got to thinking, there's a bunch of armature coils in that I can burn out and get some videos of. So, that's what we're doing. Okay. What? How's it working? Whoa, that was epic! Oh! Yeah. Wow!